A 24-year-old woman from Tonopah, Arizona, died in a two-car crash on Interstate 10 in Buckeye on January 20. The crash occurred in the eastbound lanes near Verrado Way at 6:41 a.m., involving a work truck. The woman was transported to a hospital but succumbed to her injuries. According to the Department of Public Safety, the woman rear-ended the work truck. The eastbound lanes were closed for several hours but reopened before 9 a.m. The westbound lanes were unaffected. The identity of the deceased has not been released.